I'm Mathew. I work at Beatson and I'm an apprentice multi-skilled engineer. During the day, my main responsibilities would be maintaining the factory, working on machines and repairing general broken down equipment. A good example of my main responsibilities during the day would be, for example, this morning I went onto a burner that had broken down and we've been called out by an operator immediately. We checked it to find faults, couldn't find any at the time. We took it off, cleaned it, looked for a fault again, found one, repaired it and put it back on the machine and tested it, and it worked fine. When I was at school, I think the main three subjects, math, science and English, were the most important factors that helped me in my engineering job. ICT is also a very important one that I did. They all helped me to do my role on a day-to-day basis. Most of them are important, but stuff like maths is very important, using stuff like calculations to help create wiring diagrams to function correctly and not cause problems. My apprenticeship began a year after I left school. I went to college for a year and found out that the best way to get a national vocational qualification would be doing an apprenticeship. To get qualified on the job while still going to college and learning, and it's one of the most rewarding things ever to be able to learn on the job plus in a classroom that will set me for life. I'm glad I chose an apprenticeship for many reasons, to do with the activities and the people. I'm happy I got employed at Beatson as all the employees are very nice. They'll all have plenty of knowledge to pass on. It's all worthwhile to do what I'm doing. During my apprenticeship, I've learned general learning activities from the site, including how we make the product from start to finish, plus general engineering background. During this apprenticeship, I managed to win Apprentice of the Year for the glass industry, which I was very honoured to do and receive an award and represent the company. I think I like the most about being in engineering is the different things I have to do. It's not the same thing on a daily basis. I get to do chances are I will do a different machine or a different thing is broken down on a daily basis. So it still keeps me thinking, still keeps me moving. The downsides to them is if something I've never come across before and it's really troubling, you'll be on it for hours, but it's still rewarding once you eventually figure it out. If someone wanted to go into the engineering sector, I'd see if I could arrange a visit to an engineering company and spend a couple of days just to see if they can watch what an engineer does and see if they can get a good feel for it. Like, just follow them around, not getting too close obviously, but get some sort of feel for it, and if they enjoy it, take it up further. In the future, I see, hopefully, once I've become qualified, I will hopefully aim to do a general site maintenance, which would include fixing everything or in a certain area, which become more specialist, then work up through the ranks, becoming managers, directors, and proving myself to be the best to my abilities.